You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce the name of this fragrance, this perfume, if you want to say what this is, eau de parfum. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. And luxury brand name, stay tuned, absolutely, pronounced in French as Dior. You probably knew that, the very French R, Dior. Sauvage, which is French for savage or wild. Sauvage, sauvage. Dior Sauvage. In English, you can say it as Dior Sauvage. Dior Sauvage, from French pronunciation, Dior Sauvage. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.